Hi everyone, today's lesson is lesson 24, parentheses and the associative property. So the operations of arithmetic are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When there is more than one operation in a problem, the parentheses show us the order for doing the operation. These are parentheses. Parentheses separate a problem into parts. We do what's inside the parentheses first, and then what's outside. So here we would do 5 plus 4 first. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then we would do 6 times 9. So 6 times 9 equals 54. What would happen if I did this in the wrong order? So let's say that I ignored the parentheses and I did 6 times 5 first. Well, 6 times 5 is 30 plus 4 is 34, and that's the wrong answer. So make sure when you have a parentheses, you have to do the parentheses first. All right, so here I have Melody drew 8 flowers. She painted 4 flowers blue, then she painted 2 flowers red. How many flowers are not painted? It takes 2 steps to find the answer to this problem. So the parentheses are going to help us show what step to take first. Since I know she has 4 flowers and 2 flowers that she's painted, I'm going to want to add those first. So she drew 8 flowers, and then to figure out how many she has not painted, we're going to subtract 4 plus 2. Okay, so we're going to figure out how many flowers she has painted. So that's 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then I can do 8 minus 6. And 8 minus 6 equals 2. So she has not painted 2 of the flowers. Okay. This next problem wants me to compare 2 different numbers. Before I can compare, I need to solve these equations. Okay. So if you notice, on both sides, the numbers are exactly the same. The only difference is where the parentheses are. Okay. So remember, we do the parentheses first. So on this one, 3 plus 4 is 7. And then we do 2 times 7, which equals 14. On the left side, we have 2 times 3 first. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then we add 4. And 6 plus 4 is 10. So 14 is greater than 10. When performing operations of arithmetic, we perform operations one at a time. Okay? When performing operations in arithmetic, we perform one operation at a time. If we have 3 numbers to add, we decide which 2 numbers to add first. Suppose we wish to find 4 plus 5 plus 6. I could add the 4 and the 5 first, and then the 6. Or I could add the 5 and the 6 first, and then the 4. Either way, my answer both times equals 15. This is called the associative property of addition. I can add numbers in any order and get the same answer. The associative property also applies to multiplication, but it does not apply to subtraction or division. So here we have the associative property of multiplication. So I'm just grouping and deciding what to multiply first. So here I have 2 times 3 equals 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, and over here I'm going to multiply 3 times 4 first, which is 12, and then 2 times 12 is 24. So 24 equals 24. All right, so let's practice with these problems. So first problem we have 6 minus 4 minus 2. So remember, we do what's in parentheses first. 4 minus 2 is 2. So then we do 6 minus 2, which equals 4. So this one equals 4. Okay. The second number, we have 6 minus 4 in parentheses and then minus 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and 2 minus 2 equals 0. Right? Same thing with division. Okay. So we have 8 divided by 4 in parentheses, and then divided by 2. So I know 8 divided by 4 is 2, And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Okay. So let's look if we do it the other way. So we have 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And then 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So you can see it's important to make sure that we do whatever's in the parentheses first. And remember, the associative property does not apply to division and subtraction problems. I have to do these in the order that they are listed. Hey, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.